as a virgin order block. We have got enough buyers holding their buy position in this particular location. So that you get a better understanding, we'll delete this. Okay, we are seeing them. We call something as a limit order. Excuse me guys for the handwriting. So something called as limit orders are sitting here. This is one thing. I could have holded the position till here, okay, but there are very few scenarios where I have observed people, they are getting a right exit in the market. So getting out of the trade, that is also very important. Second part, the levels what I plotted. I'll just show you the levels in the other platform. Okay. We got a very good feature guys here. Fires may, I'll just show you guys here. So यहाँ पे this particular zones, right? They got plotted automatically from the fires terminal itself. The support resistance or the heavily invested area, sellers activity. So easily quantity you have to just ask here. I'll just close this. Draw and supply and demand. तो यहाँ पे automatically है ना plot हो जाएगा. So this is one of the